Hey, how you doing? This is the first video to really start helping you do various things on the political party project. Today's lesson is really how to get the financial accounting done. The sheet itself, if you start out with a blank piece of paper, what you're really looking for is two things: donations. Who's giving you things for your party? The other thing is actually expenses. Now, if you have a donation, it could actually be in cash, or it can actually be in anything else to help, paper, posters, any kinds of things like that. But person X, maybe it's a parent, actually gives you $5. Alright? So you have $5 a total. Here for expenses, you haven't spent anything. Here, and there, which means you would actually have a total of 0. Now, an overall total would be cash on hand, and you would have $5. Your first sheet that's due for me, the first report like this, may look very much like this, or even 0, 0, 0 there. Alright, so what actually happens here if someone actually gives you something else, like a poster board? Alright. Let's say this was 320, 321, John Grissom give you a poster. Just put it here. All right, the value. Okay, you have to find out some sort of value. So let's say it's $8. So your total, if you had done this report this way, would have been $13. Okay. The poster was used, and the poster was $8. So instead of $5 on hand, you would have, oh wait a second, 13 minus 8 would still be $5. All right? Because you got it here, you used it here, there really is no cash involved. That original $5 that you got is really the only cash that you have. That still would actually be there. Okay? Alright, so let me take a quick look at something else here. This is the Phoenix party that was left from last semester. There's some good things. Donation box, total. Money used, expenses, total. Okay, so $28 versus $27, which actually left 52 cents. The overall cash on hand. Cash. They didn't add that down there. Now, one of the problems here is, one, who is this? Now, I actually axed out the name here. Who is this? Who is this? Who is this? I don't know who those people are. All right? But these totals are actually all right. It's $28. Now, here, they might have actually done a report here and here to create those zeros. That doesn't really matter at the moment. All right, for the binder, they spent $3. Cookie mixes, here. These are all the expenses they actually did. They added those up, and they had 52 cents, actually. 52 cents left. So this is actually a very good example. So, if you have any other questions, please give me a hold of me in class, and then we can get at what your problem is.